Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shreyoshi and you're watching the Yellow Couch. Today we are going to make a sachet, a bride to be sachet in a Bengali style. So basically we'll be starting here with the design first. I will be showing you how we would do the sachet on the paper first, and then we'll continue on the cloth. So let's start with the design. Here I've put one fat line on top. Below that we have given us a thinner line, and below that we are putting some dots. So basically if you put it all together, it gives a Bengali feel. The font that I have chosen is also giving a vibe, Bengali vibe. So you can see I am twisting the ends of these letters. I have already prepared a design for you guys, so you'll be able to see it. I'll just put the paper down and you'll be able to see how the final product is going to be. So this is the design prepared for this, and we will be doing this exactly this on the sachet. So we need these items for making this project. We need this satin cloth bright sachet. We got it made using satin cloth, and the making charge of 50 rupees. We need a masking tape. We need the colors red, white and yellow. We need these three brushes, one fat, one middle sized and one small. I can give you the numbers too. So it is 3, 8 and 4. Now then we have water, which might use for coloring. Then we have the design right in front of us, and we need a cleaning cloth. So you have started securing the edges. We will be leaving a little space on top and then putting the masking tape down below. We will be doing it in both the ends. So here we have the entire sachet taped. So I'm going to color this one red. Make sure while taping that all the ends here, all the ends stick to the cloth. A lot of times you'll see this, because it's a satin material, the glue doesn't stick well, but it is very much needed for the for the masking tape to stick to the cloth, because if it doesn't color this area, the color might seep in because it's cloth again. So make sure that the taping is done, the securing of these edges and areas is done pretty well before we begin. So now we'll begin coloring the cloth red. Here is my red color. This is the brush that I'll be using, and I'll start coloring. So now you can see that I've colored the entire sachet, and now it's the time to take out the tape. So let's start. So you see, it forms a uniform line. This could not have been possible if I would have drawn it by hand. So we'll take the entire mask of the sachet off and then come back. So this is how it looks after taking off the masking tape. So we have a proper line. Now to draw a thinner line here, we will be again masking this area and the area below it with masking tape. So I have covered these two ends, both the ends. You can see this one, this end and this end, and now we are going to draw that line. Right now I'm drawing, I'm just kind of trying to punch this color inside this thin line, you can see. So I have, as you can see, this one is masked, this area, and this area is also masked. I've just left one thin line of cloth where I am painting with this red color. So once this is done, we will come and unmask it. The color is done. We have painted the entire area, and once this is just dried up, I will come and take off the masking tape and we'll see how it turns out to be. Here we have taken out the masking tape. Now we are going to color the space between the thin and the fatter line with yellow color like this. Here I am writing bride to be first in yellow, because the yellow color was thick and also it looks nice, it gives a good projection. So first with yellow I'll be writing bride to be, and then on top of that we'll be starting with the red color. Here I've started giving dots. So with the back of a pen, I'm giving yellow dots first, and on top of that I'll be giving red dots. We're almost done with the sachet. You'll see the final look on Prabhati. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon not to miss out any videos from mine.